out fishing and the waterfall just took off. I was here the other day and barely anything coming down. One big rainfall and it just took off. I was out here fishing, my pole got messed up. Look at this thing coming now from just the other day. The other day it was barely coming down. Look at this. Ah, it's roaring. Tomorrow there'll be nice fish down there. Look at this. Just the other day it was barely any water coming over there. Like someone opened up a switch. Beautiful. Beautiful. Unbelievable. Just a little bit of rain. Well, it wasn't a little bit, a lot of rain, but just opened up. Started gushing down. Well, so much for the fishing today. Got the pole all messed up. Have a great evening, everyone.